it has paid tremendous dividends again and again for human beings to ponder what is true and to hold each other's feet to the fire. What is not obvious about people is that our capacity to contemplate it's powerful within an individual, but that's nothing compared to what happens when we pool our insight and understanding and push each other around. So there is the individual contemplating, but there is also some analog that we don't have good language for, which is sort of the state of our collective understanding of things that gets passed between individuals, between cultures, down through generations. And that thing, it makes us a radically different creature than we were 1,000 years ago. At this point, the rate of change is so great that we are a radically different creature than we were less than a lifetime ago. And that is why I was suggesting we have been forced into this hyperconscious mode where every day we are confronted with counterintuitive puzzles that have an important implication for how to live. I mean, the obvious one is that thing safe to eat? Right? It may taste good, but somebody may have formulated it to taste good, and it may contain ingredients in order to preserve it over some very long supply chain, and it may not be safe to eat, right? It may result in some harm to the body, but it's not obvious by the intuitive pathway an ancestor could have used. So I'm not sure I agree with Aristotle's concern that the fact that you can't just contemplate all day is a problem. I think that may be a feature, not a bug. But I am pretty convinced that our being forced into pointless contemplation is not good for us.